Ayun.
Tingin?
Yan. Ayan yun.
Hindi mo naman pinuha. Wow! Thanks, Bibu! Hoy! Diwag.
Ayan.
Thanks! Spam rice. By Bibu. And iced tea. And coke sa kanya. Nakita. Grabe.
Because we are doing another episode of Best of Dumpling.
I'm so excited.
Me too.
Yeah.
I feel like this is an excuse to eat good.
I think this might be my favorite dish. So, more affordable. Tipong my rice bite. So again, it doesn't cheapen the actual food. It just means it's more affordable kahit araw-arawin. Not advisable pero kahit araw-arawin mo.
Inaaraw-araw natin at some
Yeah, in
point.
college, araw-araw so may rice. So, we're gonna go to Angkong's.
So sweet. Kiss. Kiss. Tapi yan mag-best friend, ha?
Call myself Echo Romantico. Story number 1. We're young, but I'm sure that what we had was real. Walang cheating na nangyari. No other people involved. We just literally outgrew each other.
Kumuha lang ng files po, eh. Kitty! Tulog na pala sila. Yun na yung bata, oh. Aray, ang sakit, Pibi. Hi!
Bakit?
Ang panood.
Hmm?
Nood.
Bakit hindi mo makuha?
Hindi ko nakuha.
Hmm.
Our goal is 5 km daw.
Hindi ako.
Wala.
Ayaw.
Ay!
Saglit lang.
Saglit lang daw. Wala pala kaming goal. Kitty, smile. Picture, Kitty. Kitty. Saya mo, ah.
Yung ilalim ng
So, kagising lang namin ulit. Actually, kanina pa around 7. Pero kasi nag-in na ako sa work. Then, ngayon, nakagawa na ako ng kape ko. And then, magdi-dinner na kami. So, adobo daw ang dinner namin today.
Solo camping in Alaska's rainforest. I've used float planes, canoes, and my own 2 feet in order to explore remote hot springs. But my plane was supposed to pick me up this morning, and it didn't show up.
Wow! Sino to?
Bili ako niyan ulit.
Ipon is life. Thank you. Hi, Mommy. Oh, good morning. Oh, no. Morning, Mommy. Kiss. Kiss, Mommy, kiss. Ayaw? Thanks.
Stressed or focused we feel in a certain space, in the urban space, or and guide our behavior. For example, when we feel calm, we tend to focus better, but when we feel stressed, it becomes harder to concentrate or make good decisions. So sensory still aware of this connection, we can create environments that support positive emotions and improve our quality of life. So, in conclusion, our senses constantly smell, touch, and emotional impact. These emotions can cause discomfort, so neutral or pleasant smells are preferred. Comfortable beds, soft texture. Hello again.
Hello, Doc.
Let's continue with the presentation that we have for today, and we will change our chip now. That reveals a real reason for the ecosystems process of global warming that will lead CO2 increase in the atmosphere.
Happy birthday to you! Sige na. Yay! Happy birthday! Kaya ka na.
Vlog to eh. Hello.
Pag tinanggal mo naman, hindi ka na
Dami. Hindi rin naman siya fresh. Hindi rin naman fresh cheap. Yeah. Hello. Akin na yun. Sige, thank you.
Hindi, ano ba na yun sa harap mo? Ako lang ba?
Hello. Go time. Ganda ng mga background music dito. Para kay Sai. Sige po ako sa ako nila. Wala ako nakaintindihan. Ayoko lang view dito. Ayaw mo yan. Dito side. Hindi, may view pa lang. Patikim.
taste test. Ano yan? Coco something? Coco caramel.
Hindi ka ng ano, ng sugar syrup kung meron siya.
Bago makatapos yung araw, bumibili mo. Umiiba na din yung hindi mo po.
Pwede mag-connect ang Bluetooth mic dyan.
Uy, dadrop off ko lang sa mga bata sa school, tapos hindi ko pa na, uy, punta na ako doon, nandiyan na yung hindi. Seryoso mo naman.
Ayoko siya, pinaka-ayoko siyang actor na. Kaya zoom din naman eh.
Dukot ka dyan ng hindi mo cellphone, no? Yung maganda.
Jericho.
Tama?
Sali ka, sabi. Huling kain mo na yan. Nakatakot si Sal. 2, 3. Lasang choco flakes.
Lasang wafer.
You have to try and explore new food. So today, I'm not going to
Left guard na. Focus lang. Wow! Nakakaba kasi na sa'yo long phone. Sa mukha ko. Kamu bili ito? Facebook Marketplace. Marketplace? Pati yung trending.